we are here to pick up some groceries, some Arab stuff, halal stuff from Tiamat. They have quite a lot of variety here for lamb, chicken, and other pickles and spices. Quite variety they got here. Let's go inside. So they have this huge Afghan naan. This is beautiful. We're gonna try this. And hello, assalamu alaikum. Here we do have dry mallows, flour, some other stuff, mostly Mediterranean Arab food, and it's really good to have all this stuff here. Makes your life easy. We have lots of spices here, all from all over the world, from Palestine, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, and rest of the world, and some crockery as well. Hello.
Hi everybody. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So we do have halal meat over here, and spices. They have a butchery over there. It's halal butchery. Spices are really at good prices as well. They have teas here, coffee, you name it, and they have it. It's very convenient. They even have the toffees from all over the world. Here they do have some Turkish delights. Sometimes you really miss your food from your hometown, and you can always have it here. Nutella, coffee, baking needs. Oh, these are my favorite breadsticks here. I miss those. Here we have some more breadsticks. They have quite a lot of variety of breadsticks. They do have honey. That's good. Syrups, jams, spreads. Coconut oil, mustard oil, sesame oil. Yes, Arab food use lots of sesame oil. Sweets, baklava. Look what I found. I found some hookah or shisha here. Lovely. Here we do have some sumac. Sumac is also very important ingredient. Some Pakistani biryani masala and different sorts of masala. Peas, beans, lentils. He is very helpful. He is going to show us the gurkul.
With vermicelli. Okay, you have fine brown burgul. You have the white burgul. You have the brown burgul.
Okay.
Or you have the fine white burgul. So see how many kinds? So,
Two different.
I know it's a little complicated.
Yeah, so I'm gonna call her and ask her.
Yeah,
Thank you,
just
ma'am.
ask.
Thank
And
you.
you have here the white and brown fine as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have to ask what type of gurkul we need, because there is lots of variety apparently. And here we have the chickpeas, hummus. So there are lupini beans also here, very rare find. Pickle. pickled fruits and chickpeas again, lentils. Here we do have some cheese,
100% sesame seed.
garlic sauce. Wow, I love this cheese. Wow, the feta. I love the variety of the cheese they're keeping over here. Oh, they have kiri as well. That's good. My kids love kiri. There they have a lot of kiri, yogurt. Lots of yogurt, laban. Here they have some frozen pastries, ice, baklava, and some vegetables, falafels, nuggets, mixed vegetables again. Lovely, they have everything. Your basic daily cooking needs are here. So we are done. Let's go out.